through, I start another session again with these insane stories I have. You see, with these stories that I have when I'm done with. Another time, before ndibe ngumkhwetha, I remember stepping in another realm. Yabo. But ke ngoku apha ndiyaboniswa wena mntakwethu ukuthi kunendawo enje. Yabo. Kunendawo enje. And I was wondering ukuthi indawo enjani. Okay, let me take you through this journey. Yabo. So what happens here is that apha wena mntakwethu ndihamba nelinye isotsha. Yabo. And when ndifika kule ndawo, ndifika apha kunamanzi, kunomfula, yabo, nje umfulanyana othile. And then we start to cross lo mfula, siwele lo mfula, then we go straight. Yabo. We go straight apha kulo mfula. Something else was striking my mind. Yabo. Yes. So we begin to wela lo mfula. And then after siwele lo mfula, when I look behind ndedwa here, okay, welile lo mfula, but ke ngoku lo mfula khona ayingomfula omkhulu wena madoda, amanzi nje ahlayo, pisi ingcangcazi yamanzi, yabo. I start to walk here. Ndihamba apha phakathi kwawo ke la manzi. Amanzi ayihla phakathi kwamatye amancinci. Amatye uyawabona man, avelile amanzi, amatye omfula la, ahlayo amanzi. Alandele, phuma apha ekoneni ehlathini, ntshone phantsi kwamanye amahlahla. Ndiyazibona ke ndihamba phaa, yabo. And then I meet a place. This place was a big round place. Yabo. Hey there, my lord. And when I born, there was a smanga there. They were full of people, the sea people. But now it was not the sea. They were enjoying themselves, my lord. Kumnandi, abanye bacakamelelanga, but ke ngoku strange things. Ikhala yabo ibingabelungu bodwa. That was what is so strange. Ibingabelungu bodwa, banenwele ezinde, imizantsi yabo zifishi, yabo. They were chilling, abanye bacakamelelanga. Indawo intle ibiyelwe ngamatye, yabo, actually. And when I started to came there, they started to check me, and then they say, yeah, okay, sure, yabo. And then it seems like everyone was expecting me to come, you know. And a strange thing ke ngoku mntakwethu is that I don't know what happened after. When I saw them, abanye betshile ematyeni, beqhayamile, bethini, blankers. What happened after? And then I saw myself now ndibuya ke ngoku there, ndihamba ke ngoku ndiphinda tracing my steps back to where I was coming from. Okay, fine. Now the time I supposed to go kwi-initiation of womanhood, when ndingumkhwetha, another day we have to go emfuleni siyohlamba, like abakhwetha bayahlamba. Ndiyazi le concept yokuthi abakhwetha bayanuka abahlambi. We used to go emfuleni siyohlamba. And now what happened when, and that mfula is usezantsi kwindawo engadiliwa abe sezantsi. And when we get there, like for me, I was so amazed when I saw la mfula umlambo or whatever you can call it, ihlamanzi otherwise, yabo, kuhla amanzi apha kule way esiyohlamba kuyo. It was exactly, my lord, the way I saw it in that vision when I step in that place. And I even told Kulento, Ikangata, Ilamut, Erika, I was here before. I know this place very well. This one I know, I was here. Amanzi elaa hlobo kakade beswela ngalo, amatye ahleli elaa hlobo beswela ngalo, everything. I told Rika, ndiyabawela uyilandela le path. I would like to go and follow lo mlambo, ndinyuke ngawo ndiyotsho phezulu apho uqhina khona. I would like to see what is there, because the dream already showed me what is there. Wathi uRika, yabona ke ngakude ngusenzele loo nto, yabona ke, because others they know what kind of a person I am, and they start to feel discomfortable. Hey, don't do that thing, because we can't manage. Noba nasilahlekane now. What if you won't come back when you follow this path? So then I felt ukuthi hey, nami ngenzela abantu life ibe difficult, yabo. But that curiosity always has been there with me ukuthi, is it truly possible, as I found that river as it was in that vision, is it truly possible that what I will find in the end of the path will be the same as what I saw in the vision? Don't know. But I wasn't curious enough. But me, I wanted to go there. But maybe just because I lack knowledge of these things, I didn't follow, you see. And if I don't even know the dangers at the end of the day, if I follow, because I would follow out of my curiosity, it won't be like I'm compelled and under a spiritual trance of some sort, and then I started to move, and it would be better, it would be a safe way than that, to go on my own, like, because of I'm curious, I saw this and I want to. Nah. And maybe that is another reason, because ever since I washed in that river, I never got all these things the Bakwetas have in the jungle. I never got all those nasty things, creepy and weird. Don't want to mention them here on the channel. Maybe that is another thing, because the water is coming there. And you know what I'm beginning to find? I'm beginning to find what if that place is the place where I supposed to go and fetch the river water when I want amanzi omlambo, for example. It was not a meaning ukuthi I must go and follow that line there ukuthi ndiyobona ukuthi what was there. I was already shown ukuthi what was there. But all I have to do ukuthi when I need any water, mhlawumbe for uhlamba and do that thing, I must go and collect water there. That could be a very, 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 very powerful point. Because I remember what can I complain about? Otherwise, it can't be a very powerful point. Because umfula ukhona kwelacala. So yeah, it can be, but it won't be that much validated point. Because ukhona umfula already kwelacala. Unless if ibe ndihlala kwiplace engenamfula, umfula ufumaneka there only, phaa ezantsi ehlathini, at least I would fane ndiyicingele loo nto but I don't need to go there. I don't need to go there. Don't need to go there unless ke sube ndiyofuna ii-herbs. Yabona when I go to find herbs there, maybe I can go, but not for them fuller peoples and things. Yazi, ane bantakwethu bendithi manishere manje, just acknowledge also. So peace yo.